Nowadays, artificial intelligence or AI is everywhere. It has become the new trend to put AI in almost every electronic device on the market. Whether it's a smartphone or a TV or the device you are watching this video on, AI can be found on any device. The very idea of creating an artificial intelligence was to make the lives of humans easier, and so far it has been doing well and showing big promises. AI allows our devices to complete multiple tasks without the touch or presence of a human with such a precision that oftentimes cannot be achieved by human. Hey everyone, this is Chaser and today I have the Obsbot Tail AI camera with me. The Obsbot Tail is an AI-powered camera that debuted at CES this year and has completed a successful crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter and IndieGoGo. After each successful campaign, the Obsbot Tail is now available at around $590 and you can find it at less in online. Let's talk about the Obsbot Tail for a moment before getting into the details. The camera comes inside of a little carrying box for convenient storing and carrying with you wherever you go. The Obsbot Tail is equipped with a 12-megapixel CMOS sensor that offers 3.5 times optical zoom and 10 times hybrid zoom. This camera can record 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second and Full HD resolution slow motion videos at up to 240 frames per second. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal that offers unrestricted panning, up to 90-degree tilting, and 135-degree rolling capability. On the gimbal, there is a camera indicator, light, cooling outlet, Type-C data port, and a microSD card slot. On the main body, there is a battery indicator, power button to turn the camera on or off, and a microphone port. The Obsbot Tail is powered by a 1850 mAh lithium polymer battery that supports Qualcomm Quick Charge fast charging protocol and gets fully charged within 90 minutes in fast charging mode, while allows you to record up to 90 minutes in 4K 60 FPS and 2 hours in Full HD 30 FPS. Now that we are done with the camera itself, so what is an AI camera? From the company's perspective, it's like having your own director to track, expose, and record your movement without needing the help from another person. Although that's not really a director's job, but more of a job for a camera operator. So in other words, the Obsbot Tail AI camera is your camera operator that will record your movements, allowing you to be free and do whatever you like without needing help from any other person. All of us wants to keep memory of ourselves on a trip, and for those who love to travel solo like me, it can be awkward to ask somebody to take a picture or a video of yourself. And to make matters worse, you could even lose your camera like Mr. Bean did on his tour. The Obsbot Tail AI will definitely be a lot of help since it doesn't require other person's help. All you need to do is set the camera on a surface or mount on a tripod, and voila, you're good to go. Shooting buttery smooth videos on the move had always been a challenging task for people who love to travel a lot. There are a lot of handheld gimbals on the market that can provide you stabilized videos of your surroundings, but they all fail when it comes to keep you in the frame, because those gimbals need to be operated by a human constantly and cannot complete any task on their own. That's where Obsbot comes into play. Equipped with AI, this camera can provide you stunning shots anywhere while keeping you focused within the frame, without even a touch of a human. Just set it up and you're good to go. Obsbot AI is the first in class to introduce AI technologies for a smart video shooting system. It is equipped with powerful AI chip enabling the device to provide unprecedented performance, autonomous optimization, and processing of composition. It is capable of shooting stable and smooth videos while tracking the subject even in low light environment, unusual shooting angles and body movements, noisy backgrounds, and busy streets. The camera keeps the target in best position always, and its unique landscape lock function enables an auto zoom in or out process with a single gesture to achieve scene changing or locking. With its 12-megapixel CMOS sensor, I was able to shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second, which is incredible quality for a compact-sized camera like this. So the camera's tracking system isn't just basic face detection stuff that you find in a smartphone. Instead, it uses a complex AI algorithm to recognize not just faces, but body shapes and postures. This is why you can see here, the camera is able to track onto me, even if I have moved from one place to another. I also took slow motion videos at 120 or 240 frames per second in Full HD or HD resolution. These modes are perfect for shooting slow motion videos at any sports like skateboarding or cycling. Equipped with 10 optical lenses, this camera offers 3.5 times optical zoom and 10 times hybrid zooms. I was able to zoom in objects that are up to 30 meters away, but the thing that amazed me the most was it could auto-track those far away subjects with so much precision as like they were just in front of it. The Obsbot Studio app is a powerful post-editing app as well. The Obsbot Tail AI weighs around 610 grams and has a compact design. Traveling with Obsbot Tail is no trouble since the device is perfect for traveling as it takes less space in my backpack, and with the carrying case, I could take it anywhere without any hassle. There are a lot of 3-axis stabilized handheld camera on the market, such as DJI Osmo Pocket, Removo K1 and VMate, which is currently going through crowdfunding. They all allow you to shoot stable videos on the move, but they all need to be held by a person to shoot videos. Shooting POV videos with them can be frustrating. In contrast, the Obsbot Tail dominates with its AI power as it does not require to be held. Simply setting on a surface or on a tripod is just enough for the Obsbot Tail AI. I am very impressed with the technology and how greatly it works. Although the Obsbot Tail is far from being the perfect camera, however, it is certainly a move in to the right direction, and hopefully with firmware updates, it can become a much better camera. Or they can take the customer feedbacks and come up with upgraded hardware so that it becomes more easier for people who are always traveling solo or vlogging and want to make activity videos without needing much effort or outside help. So that's all for Obsbot Tail AI. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment down below about what are your thoughts about AI cameras like this. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.